This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're going straight to system details. On Windows, press Win+R, type msinfo32 and open system information so you can read hardware names exactly. On Mac OS, click the Apple menu, About this Mac, then System Report to view graphics/displays. On Linux, open a terminal and run lsbci or glzinfo for GPU identifiers. Once done, note the listed vendor and model. These exact strings are what you'll use to verify drivers and capabilities in later steps. Now you confirm the model and driver. On Windows, open Device Manager, expand Display Adapters, and read the device name and driver version. This tells you whether drivers are current. On Mac OS, the Graphics/Displays section shows GPU model and RAM. Make sure software updates are installed. On Linux, use vendor tools or run NVIDIA SMI for NVIDIA GPUs. Once you have model and driver, compare them to the vendor's specs so you know performance and supported features before you update or install. Finish by updating or installing drivers from the official vendor site, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel. Make sure to reboot after installation so the OS recognizes the GPU correctly. If the GPU does not appear, boot into safe mode to rule out driver conflicts, and check BIOS or UEFI to confirm the GPU is enabled. As a troubleshooting tip, reseat the card and try the integrated GPU or a different PCIe slot. This isolates hardware faults versus software problems quickly and effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.